Good morning, you guys. I am back from a few days at the beach with my mom. We had such a good time. It's always so hard coming back home, but I am home and I was thinking it might be fun if today you just spent the day with me, and I have a couple errands to run. I have some things that I've purchased lately that I think are a 10, so I'm gonna share those with you. I have a little snack appetizer type recipe I want to make, and yeah, we'll see what else we get up to. Let's go ahead and head out. So I am on the hunt for a soap dispenser. Target always has a lot of pretty ones, but this one in particular is what I'm here for. I have this one already and I really love it. These are really pretty sets though. If I didn't already have these other types of pieces, I would definitely consider one of these. I love themed tea towels. This little pumpkin one is so cute. This is such a pretty brown color. I said I was not going to get sucked in. This pillow I keep considering buying, I just haven't taken the plunge on it. These little frosted pumpkins are so cute. I really love the deep fall colors. Just like the oranges and the ambery ones are so pretty. Here I am again at the tea towels, and I love the ones with cats on them. I don't really need more tea towels, but these are cute. Look at this little hocus pocus pillow. This ghost one is cute, but it's expensive. The grocery store sometimes has these adorable little plates and mugs or candles. Like, look at this little gnome set. It's salt and pepper shakers. Oh, and they have the matching mugs. I don't really tend to buy throws that have like these different types of patterns on them, but they are so cozy. That black one's cute. This is so pretty. I just don't know where I would put it. I feel like I'm gonna end up regretting not getting this. So many candles. I feel like this one's vessel is so pretty with the trees on it. That is just such a pretty, like such a pretty candle. Alright, I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I've picked up lately, and then I picked up two things at Target that I'll show you as well. These are not, I guess this stuff is seasonal, but I am in love with all of it. The first thing is this goat milk hand and body cream. I got this off Amazon. It is in the scent Caramel Pumpkin Spice. Now look, scent is obviously a preference, so you might love it, you might hate it. If that sounds like it's up your alley, this smells divine. I use this all the time, and I like that it's a fairly generous size. I feel like hand creams, they always give you these teeny tiny little bottles. And I wash my hands so many times a day that I do go through a lot of hand lotion. So this was super good, inexpensive, off Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description box if you want to check it out. Next off Amazon is this little plug-in faux candle light. And when this is actually plugged in, this little flame here kind of flickers. When I saw this out of the box, I was like, really? I thought this was going to be a return, but then when I actually plugged it in, I have the windows open. It is a perfect, cool day here today, but now I'm wondering if all you hear is car noise. It'll be okay. But when this is plugged in, it is stunning. I'll put a clip in here for you so that you can see it a little better. It is so beautiful. It flickers so softly and just illuminates so beautifully. And this ended up being one of those things that I was like, this is incredible. I'll probably have to order another one. Okay, next from Target, you probably would have seen this in the video, is this foaming hand soap dispenser. I picked one of these up for my most recent finishing off that powder room makeover, which is right over here. In love with this. This will turn your soap into foaming soap. Now it has to be foaming soap. You can't just put anything in here. But what I do is I really like the Bath & Body Works foaming soaps, so I just put them in this container instead, and it just elevates the space. The fluted glass is gorgeous. I love the kind of gold top to it, and to me these are just so classy and beautiful, and they just looked so polished in the space. I believe this was only $15, which I think is a pretty good price. The glass is nice and heavy, it's sturdy, and so I bought 2 more of these because I'm gonna put one in my kitchen, which it's already in there, and then one in my bathroom. All right, then I also got suckered into buying a candle because I thought the vessel was so beautiful. This has kind of a wavy edge to it. I'm not sure if you can tell that well. The scent is pumpkin bourbon, and it's a wood wick. So this will kind of crackle, which I love that crackling sound on candles. But the scent is so good. The description says pumpkin puree, harvest apple and ripe peach combined with warm bourbon and spiced vanilla cream. So, so good, but just absolutely beautiful. And this is one of those vessels that after you use the candle, you could totally keep as a little dish. Okay, then from Marshall's, I just got this little football pack of kitchen towels, and these are nice and big. They're soft, but these are also that material that is super absorbent. I have a lot of tea towels that I feel like are cute, but they don't really absorb water well. These definitely will, and I think these are great to maybe put over the coffee table if I'm gonna serve some appetizers on it, just to protect the surface from the heat, and also they're cute because it is football season. I was trying to stay in order with where I got stuff from, but I missed an Amazon item. This blanket was on my saved list or wish list for so long, and for some reason I just wouldn't take the plunge and buy it. I think it's because I thought that it was never going to end up being the quality that I wanted it to be for the price. Thank goodness I finally bought it. This blanket is so stunning. The colors are just gorgeous. It is incredibly soft. It has just kind of little tassels on the end, but the colors, I just can't get over the colors and how soft this is. This is without a doubt one of my favorite blankets. It does come in other colors, and this goes on sale fairly frequently. I think I actually ended up buying this because it was on sale for maybe $22 or $23, which for the quality and the colors and how soft it is an absolute steal. I would pay full price and beyond for this because it is just such great quality in my opinion. Next up is another candle, and I'm already halfway through this because I'm obsessed with it. It's the pumpkin clove from Bath & Body Works. Clove is one of my all-time favorite scents. I love the like sweet spiciness of it, and this candle is just so darn good. The description says clove buds, ground cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and fresh pumpkin just creates this beautifully spicy, warm, rich, sweet smell. That to me is just the epitome of fall, and I believe I got this for, I think it was half off at the time it was on sale. But Bath & Body Works 3 wicks are normally $26.95, but they're another store that has sales all the time. Okay, and last but certainly not least, if you are a big fan of faux florals or faux stems, then you have probably seen these really beautiful ones from A Floral. These are really, really pretty, but I will say they're pretty pricey too. I went back and forth for a while with myself before buying those, either last year or the year before. They are stunning. I mean, I'm okay with paying it, I guess. They are really beautiful, but I found what I think is a pretty realistic dupe for way less. Are you ready for this? Look at these. These look, I think, almost identical. Here, let me, oh gosh. Okay, you can barely see me through here, but these look pretty much identical. The color is very similar. The only thing is that the A Floral ones are a little more structured, so these ones you kind of have to like work with them. You have to really bend them and kind of put them where you want them to be, and they don't kind of stand up, they kind of droop a little bit, so that is definitely a difference that I notice. But these are significantly less money than the A Floral ones, so if you have really wanted to get your hands on those but couldn't justify spending, I think it's like $28 or $29 a stem. It may have even gone up, I'm not sure. I get it, but those are significantly less expensive, so I will link those in the description box in case you want to check those out. So that's just some stuff that I've had lately that I've bought that I have been absolutely in love with and have felt like they were really good purchases. When I find good stuff like this, I do like to share it with you guys, particularly because so much of my channel is thrifting and I can't necessarily put a link to those things. So this stuff I will put a link to, and if you decide to get your hands on any of it, let me know what you think. I hope you love it as much as I do. Okay, I'm gonna make, it's like a fried pickle meets cheese ball appetizer type thing. These sound so darn good to me, but I love pickles and I love anything with cheese. So we're gonna get started on that. I've been trying to eat a little bit healthier, and I have been, but Sundays during football season, oh, hold on. Somebody is begging for attention. But Sundays during football season, it's so hard for me to eat healthy because I just want to like eat treats and snack and watch football and have just a good, nice Sunday. So it is hard, but we're gonna make this. Okay, so we're gonna start working on that.
Always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're You're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference. Oh, you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the...
Okay, I just popped them in the oven. No, popped them in the refrigerator. I felt like they just needed to firm up a bit, so I'll leave them in there for a while. I make such a mess. I am not a chef. I'm really not. I try my best. So I hope these turned out really good. The mixture was very good. I tried a little bit of it and the mixture is definitely very good. It's just a matter of if I can successfully cook them. We'll see. Alright, these are all done. Let's do a taste test. This is so good. A 10, in case you couldn't tell. I'm gonna eat these and watch some football. Alright, you guys, I think this is gonna be where I leave you. I have to get a shower. I'm gonna put on a movie. I usually start winding down pretty early on a Sunday night just because I got work the next day and a work week ahead. So thank you for spending the day with me. We didn't really get up to too much, I guess, after all. It was a little bit of a relaxed Sunday, but that's okay. Those are sometimes the best one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, you can subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself in the meantime. Bye, guys.